The goal is to get down there without dying. So, wish me luck. Oh God. Okay. I guess this way is as good as any. Maybe not. Okay, I'm already here. We're going. Oh, that is muddy. That's gonna be a trip to go back up. God damn. Okay. Well, we're here safely, I guess. So last time I was out here, crushed them on the Guggen Snacky Swimmer. Found something similar to this, actually, like along the bank here. So I think I'm gonna try this orange one. It seemed to work last time. So we're gonna give it another dangle and just hope for the best. That's what we're working with right there. Just throw this dude in there. Got one. Yeah, fish on. What we got? Crappie. Hell yeah. Oh, he's cold. Oh, heck yeah. Little crappie on the orange. Little grub there. See you later, Stinky. Heck yeah. Right on. I didn't even really feel that guy come on. He just kind of like loaded on. Kind of just jumping it. You know what I mean? Just jigging it right off the bottom instead of swimming it like I was. And he ate it, so. Got another one. Oh, there he goes. Self-release. All right. Got one. It's a little largy. Look at that. Hey, buddy. Let's not do that. Look at this little dude. Little guy. Back you go. Goodbye. That was for sure a fish, or it was. Oh wait, what the heck? Look. Yo. Okay, this is the scary part. So don't want to get a hook in the finger. Not even, he's the size of it. What the heck? Be free. Dope.